Hitachi again. Bloody hell. I've been trying to take that cylinder apart. It's turned out to be a really fascinating project. So this is for my auger drive, so I sort of hooked it up to the frame here, and I used the shaft here to sort of create an anchor point and to open the head. So I used my gas bottle. I tried using hot water, didn't work. Needed a little bit of temperature there to sort of loosen up the joint. So that has been running underneath for about half an hour now, so it's pretty hot. So I'm going to use that copper wrench so to help up a little bit of leverage. Eventually it broke off. Now it's sort of moving happily. That's good. That's a good sign. Happy about that. Progress. Let's go release this one. That was just to hold it in a place so I can, so it doesn't sort of move away while I was pushing against it. I should be able to move it. Yes. That's it, mate. Gotta move sometimes. Yeah, so that's that. Try to break it off and open it. Move on to the next stage.